We're excited, we're glad to show you many stuff. We are so delighted. We are here for everything, we are here for good. Showing good respect in our good old neighborhood. It's punk rock, we know it's true. Woo-hoo. We're new Pajanimals. Let's rock, we are here to show you. Let's pop, we are new Pajanimals. Oh, we are funny animals. That's true, we're funny animals. Animals, that's true. Oh yeah, baby. Thanks, Mom. Yeah, thanks, Mom. Oh, hello there. We haven't noticed it. Oh, hey. Hi. Hello. We were just about to play outside. Mom said we were allowed to. Finally, after many days of winter, it was finally spring, but it was still cold. But, just to say, it wasn't that cold. Hey, Tom, where's the girls? I don't know. I looked everywhere, but I still don't see them. Hey, let's go. Becca, do you ever have dreams and desires? Definitely. I dream a lot of stuff. There's not one time I never dreamed of something very, very exciting. True. Lots of other stuff, too. Definitely. At least in there. Hey! What are you girls doing there? You're supposed to come play. Oh, I'm sorry, Tom. We don't feel like playing. We feel like playing up here. Okay, if you say so. Boys, they're too much. Definitely. That time when me and Tom fight over a blanket. Now that wasn't nice. Definitely. Sometimes there's times when we need to stop doing what we have to do. Well, we could go play with them for a little while. Sure. Wait up! But it is great to see us. It's to the aisle with Millie Moose. A beautiful day today, is it, girls? Definitely. I agree. It has happened beautiful lately. You know, I thought I would come out here with you guys to spend the time together. We could have so much fun today. I was hoping we could play many games. Great idea, Millie. Yeah, that would be awesome. Speaking of awesome, I thought, I've heard these beautiful, beautiful, beautiful places. Places I've been to all the time. And I know it's been very, very cool, too. Really? Yeah. Very, very pretty, at least. The most wondrous thing you've ever seen. You guys both gotta see it. Oh, sure. Well, before I go, I want y'all to meet me out an hour later. After y'all get dressed and for the stuff. Oh, boy. Yep. Can't wait to see you guys, okay? Alright. Bye, Millie. Well, guess we're gonna go too. The moose of nature. Ooh, you need to get dressed. You need to get dressed perfectly. We can find a way. Huh. Oh, yes, very much. Oh, yeah. Oh, hello, Millie. Oh, hey, Rizzo. I was just getting dressed. A special day out to my friends. Oh, nice. You know, it would be great if I could help you. What can I help with? Oh, I don't know, many multiple tasks. Maybe a little. You say this. You've heard that beautiful place, right? Yeah, so? The beautiful place is on River Valley. River Valley? Yes. Same place where you hang out with your friends, but much farther away. Oh, I've always wanted to go there. I've heard it's beautiful. Yes, it is. But in order for you to go, I'll have to make you something special. And I know the perfect thing. A nature touch? Yeah. Hey, remember that time when those two girls from the Pajanimals, I don't know, those two Pajanimal girls became Mother Nature fairies? Yeah. I walked down the neighborhood and saw them. Why? Well, I thought you would be one. Here, I'll show you. Oh, good. I'm here at River Valley. Now, where exactly were we supposed to... Ah. Hello, Malinda. Ugh. Oh, it's good coverage there. Hey, Malinda. Ugh. Pretty out here. Oh, Malinda, you look beautiful. Yes, she does. We are going to River Valley. We are at River Valley. Cassie? Oh, yeah, my bad. You know what? This is a beautiful place. Glad you took us here, Millie. Nah, no welcome. You know, it is a colorful place, and a colorful place is such a beautiful one. There's lots of beauty up above, where there is trees and stuff to hug. In a world like this, in the needle line, this is what it seems. Beautiful place, huggable space, and glorious dreams. If you like to hear it, we would hear it. It's beautiful, I would say low. No, it's true. We know nothing there, even I everywhere. It is a colorful place, colorful place of imagination, colorful place of a worldwide sensation, colorful place of goodness full, all places new and old. A colorful place, 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 a colorful place. At the good old HMS mantelpiece. Alright. We're centered. All Hoony Goonies out. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You know, I've always wanted to meet you. That's great, but Outlanders, you don't literally stand around. Jeez. But out of there, this is not the Hoony way. If I really want a chance, if you really want a chance to part of life, then it's the Hoony Goonies you shall answer, dear. Oh, Helena, dear Helena, we love you so. Oh, the fact that I'm the only girl in the world, you think it like the Smurfs, right? Well, not quite. The Hoony Goonies are everybody on board. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Good, everyone's on focus. Now, I want y'all Hoony Goonies to remember that us in the job are not always that bad. Yes, sir. All right. Incendio. Now I need y'all to rickboard the ship forward. Sure, sir. With the Sire Shrine. These souls, go up there and see if there's any trouble. Aye, aye, Captain. And you guys, you go with him. Yes, sir. You, on the other hand, can also... No. You make the food. Oh, brother, why? Because everyone is hungry, and you know the food is important. Yes, sir. You go check with the map. Yes, sir. David, you go and check the border. Yes, sir. Now, what am I gonna do with you, my little precious? What? Nothing. To be honest, you're the only Hoony Goony girl, Helena. What? Are you serious? Yeah, I'm sorry. It's true. You are the only girl. But I'm usually not the only girl. There used to be a girl. Yeah, but she got rustled. So, I'm afraid girls don't do men stuff. They do woman stuff. And since you're a woman, I'm sorry to say, Helena, you're gonna have to do the job the girl used to do. Don't say you are gonna have to mop the floors. Oh man, I don't like being a lady. Well, get to it. It's not even fair. Even life is hard. What was that? They're coming! Captain, he's back. Oh no. Captain Redbeard, here he comes. Ah ha ha, and look who it is. You scary scallywag, we shall get rid of you. Never! Quickly, unsail the ship. I'm gonna need your help, Helena. We can work this out together. Keep him distracted. Hey, Redbeard! Do you mind if I... Time to take off, like it? Nope. Such a scallywag. 10 degrees starboard, we're holding her steady, and now my cannonball boomerang is aimed and ready. Good luck, Captain. Ooh, bullseye! Another triumph for expert engineering. You mean we've just destroyed their cannon with their own cannonball? Yep, we have. Hey, who are they over there? Well, we should check. Aye, a stary old moose, as beaut as a lady, and her two friends, a little bird, and a little squirrel canary. We shall now adventure out and see what they're doing. Yes, maybe they're on our island. We're here, and there they are. Hey, my lades! My lades! Oh, hello, darling. Not reckon you would be here. The name's Millie Moose, and we just ended up on this island for service. Well, we were trying to see where those pesky gardens are. What gardens? The pretty tree bloom gardens. Oh, I know those. Yeah, we were trying to look for it, but it's not anywhere. We were hoping if you can help us, sir. Civilization. Hey, sir. Captain, sir. Yes? Oh, no, I have an idea. If we look over there in center, and... Whoa! Wait a second. Don't we recognize this place? Ha ha! You came to the right place, girls. What is this place? You're at our home. This is the island of the Hoony Goonies. Oh, nice. Pretty fine place, too. No, thanks. You know what? If this island wasn't so surrounded with yeast and stuff, I would have known that we would find the perfect place for y'all to go. In that fort. Fort? Yes. You could stay there for the night. Or do your house. We were trying to find food, and maybe I thought you could help us. Yeah, please help us. Aw, of course we would. We would love to. Great. Follow me. Okay. Now, everyone, come on. All right, come on. Ugh, smelly. Is this how your home smells? Yeah, it does. It always smells like this. That's because we live out in the wild. Ooh, I've heard suspicious stuff about the wild, you know. In my journal, it says, the wild is the most scariest place out there. Ooh, it's even scarier now. Now there's nothing to be afraid of, little one. Isn't there? Well, except for, creepy animals. Yeah, there's creepy animals out there. Yeah, and there's a lot. Well, spend time together right now. We're gonna have a quick snack. What's the matter? We're out of food. Gotta find food. Gotta find food. Excuse me. Gotta find food. Gotta find food. Ugh, well that just happened. Ugh, yeah. Guys, I'm not used to living in this world. It's kind of creepy. Now don't worry, girls. Even though my stuff may look kind of creepy, it's not that creepy at all. Hey, you're right. It's not that creepy at all. Well, I guess we could get some sleep. A little rest could help. Well, good night. No, Millie. No! Ah, ow. Oh, maybe I should just build myself a nest. Later at night, it wasn't that bad of a fright until there wasn't any food for that type. Oh dear. What is it, Millie? Yeah, what is it? Remember this morning when the Hoony Goonies said they were out of food? Yeah. They said they couldn't find any, and they went to bed anyway. And now, I don't know where they are. They must have left to go out and search for them. We need help. We definitely need help. I wonder who to call. Not many people are out here in the forest or in the woods. I have an idea. We could call our friends. How? There's no way we could call them from here. Of course there is. Excuse me. This might be loud. Why, welcome, my friends. Whether the tall or the small, I invite you to my fort. A good one, too, thanks. Please find some shelter here. It would be great. Ah, yes, very great. We were hoping if you could just get us good suggestion. We'll need to find food. If we don't find food, we'll get hungry. Yes, very much. We need food to survive. We're stranded on this island for the night. And we definitely need light. Any suggestions?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Millie Moose.
We all like to eat. Little Millie like eggs. Yes, an egg is a treat. I like mosquitoes. And me, I like flies. The best is a moth that depends on its size. Earthworms for moles, a worm or a skunk. Yes, worms, they are nice, but you can't beat about. So many insects and worms that you really can't eat. Insects and worms that we all like to eat. Insects and worms, that's the treat.
So, we can find many food as we can before sundown. That would be the perfect time to start. Everybody search under every rock, under every tree, and above. As we search now, Alright, okay. Let's go. Hey, wait for me. Not good. Not good at all. Not very good. Ah! Oh, the flowers. What happened to the pretty flowers? Ugh. Millie, are you okay? Ugh, it's a disaster. Look. The flowers! Everybody! Hey, what's the matter, guys? The flowers! They wilted! Oh. Well, the only thing we know now, we'll never find food. Wait a minute. A berry. I found a berry. And if we could find food out here in the woods... I just realized people hunt animals too. So, we'll have to hatch a plan. I know our perfect lunch. And it will be just as good. But we'll have to wait till morning. We'll have to wait till we find the whale. The whale? You'll see. You'll see. I'm not so sure about this. She must be here by now. There she is. There she blows. Ooh. Oh, hello, guys. Ruby. Oh, Ruby. Oh, we're so glad you're here. Listen, I have an idea. Have you heard of Redbeard? Yes. And do you know that we need food? Yes. So, I want you to capture Redbeard. And y'all, we're not going to actually eat him. We're just going to capture him and make him get our food. Oh, I see. Well, they should be coming right now. Now, when you come out of my mouth, you're gonna feed everyone food and get them food. Do you understand? Yes, I understand. Why would y'all do that? That's simple. We'll tell you once you get our food. Oh, all right. Thanks, Ruby. Thank you. You're welcome. Such remarkable people. I know. Now everybody gather up and get food also with Redbeard. Okay, let's go. Yum, yum, yum. Oh, thank you, Millie. Now we got food for everyone in the Goonie Kingdom. Yeah, we got all the food we need now. This calls for a temporary cheer. With the Goonies, we like to hear. When we're friends, we are. Hurrah! Thanks, you guys. You're welcome. Very delicious. Mind if I get an apple? Ha-ha! Yummy! Tasty treat, you know. Uh-oh. Millie, don't you... Oh, sorry. I meant to do that.